Welcome everyone to the stream, and we're going to get started here very easily. First and foremost, thanks for stopping by. These are all letters just to make it a little easier for you. It's the real PMC. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. And our first stop is going to be looking at a 2007 Ford Edge cabin filter replacement. And as always, please like, follow, and subscribe. Here comes a click. Here it comes. 3, 2. Okay, here we go. So as you can see here, we are in a dusty glove box for a 2007 Ford Edge. Now this Ford Edge hadn't moved for about 3 months. Big explanation why: valve cover gasket had to get replaced, didn't have time to work on it, so it sat there for a while. The lawn was cut, everything, so a lot of dust in there. Apologize for that, everybody. But as you can see, there's a keyhole right up there that we're gonna need to use to loosen up and get this glove box to pop open. There's a spring-loaded rubber band type of mechanism that will actually need to be popped out. So if you look in the keyhole, you're gonna slide it down, and then it's gonna fit right through that bottom piece and just pop right out. So you can use one hand like I did and pop it out, whoop, and it pops itself all the way in. Once you've removed that piece, there's gonna be 2 extended pieces of plastic on each side of this glove box. Removing the right one first, and then looking at the left side, you're gonna put a little more elbow grease because that one's a little bit longer. And once you get enough muscle, you can just pull it, you can slide it down, boom, it makes underneath. Go back to the other side to make sure it popped out. Once you slide it down, it's gonna unhinge completely. So those 3 hinges right there, they're not clipped on, they're literally there as guides. Now we're facing the air filter cabin. Oh, sorry, the cabin air filter. I'm gonna line up the camera just a little bit more for you guys to see better. There we go. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is press on that left side. It's a very simple clicking mechanism, and you're gonna pull with your index finger on the far back while you're pushing that little clip that I'm pointing at right there, and then the whole thing is just gonna slide right out. And there you go. When you pull it from the left, the right side will unhinge. The airflow goes down like I'm pointing here. So the airflow goes up to down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you like this content and want me to do anything else on this Ford Edge, let me know and I'll do it. Now we're gonna remove this cabin air filter. It is gross, people. It is gross. We have not changed this probably since we picked up this car back in 2018 maybe, or 17. So yeah, it's been a while. EcoGuard, this is the air filter we're going to use. Let's give you some sound so you guys can enjoy a little of this crunchiness. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed some of those cool sound effects of our cabin air filter. You might catch some more here and there. But as you can see, there's an arrow that is directional, and that guides you with airflow. So that's going to tell you in which direction the air should flow through this particular filter. Now this one goes from top to bottom, which is exactly how we want it. Fortunately, the letters line up in the right direction, so it makes it pretty easy. Once you slide this piece in, once we get back in focus, focus Danielson, there you are. Once you're back in focus, you can see that the piece literally just slides right through. So you can't see it, but on the left side, there's on the top area, right where my finger came down from, there's actually a little piece of plastic right there that blocks the filter from going in smoothly sometimes. What you want to do is line it up between those grooves and slide that filter in. Now, yes, this filter does not look anything like the one that was originally there. The purpose of the filter is to just stop small little products from getting into your airflow. This will do a job without any question. Once it's lined up, as you can see, the left side's touching the plastic, right side lines up. We're gonna go ahead and grab this piece, slide the right side in, and then push the left side, and there you have it, guys. Completely done. Thumbs up. There you have it. It's gonna be a beautiful, smooth sailing day. This is what it looks like when you're completed. And now we're gonna get back to the fun part. Let's reassemble this guy and put it back together. So I'm gonna pick up my camera here. I'm gonna try to do this all with one hand as best as I can. And I'm showing you where the air comes in through. In that duct, that piece will close itself depending on whether or not you're using recirculating air or if you're using fresh air from the outside. Once again, guys, we use the EcoGuard from Amazon. Link will be listed below in the description. Comments are welcome. Using my left hand, my non-dominant hand, because I am a righty, to replace and rehinge the glove box. Now it's gonna line up, just takes a little trick, and boom, there it is. Once it lines up, you're gonna find that coiled up retractable string that pulled itself back up there. You'll find it, and you're gonna insert it back into the keyhole. There's the button. That little button slides into the larger button keyhole and then simply slides up as the glove box maybe needed to be maneuvered just a little, but there it is. You see it slide. Once that's done, keyhole's in. Go ahead and push in the hard piece of plastic. Once the left side is in, the right side kind of just easily puts itself back on. Again, I got to use little elbow. I had to use my dominant hand to push that. Right hand just popped itself in. Close the box. Boom. Shakalaka. We are done. Thumbs up. Give this a thumbs up if you like the video. Stand by for some bonus content. In 3, 2. Yes, that is gross. That's what it looked like. Thanks for stopping by. It's Real PMC. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Later.